What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Dre Senpai, back at you with another video today. I'm sorry I didn't upload yesterday, guys. I am not feeling well at all, and I just really couldn't move out of bed yesterday, and I'm still kind of out of it, but I didn't want to leave you guys with no content for 2 days, so excuse me. So yeah, I'm just trying to muscle on through it, guys. So today we're going to be looking at Ultra Super Saiyan Blue Kaioken Goku, because he is in the Z tier boost, and he was a menace of a unit, and with the ceiling of strikes and the damage he does, and he has his plat equip now. So now that he's in Z tier, we're going to be running him on this team right here, of course, alongside with Ultra UI Saiyan Goku, Transforming MUI, and of course Hitku. So we're going to hop online and see how he does with this team right here, and what kind of damage can he do. Now, of course, I have him at 5 stars, so he's not getting the full effects of his plat equip, but we're going to try our best to make this work. And yeah, so all that being said, guys, we're gonna go ahead and hop right on into it. Forgive me if the gameplay is kind of all over the place as far as playing the best I can, but I'm really just I'm not feeling well. But I didn't want to leave you guys with no content for a couple of days. So yeah, but I have rambled on long enough, and we are going to go ahead and hop right on into it. If you do like the content, guys, please like, share, and subscribe. We are almost at 400 subscribers. The goal is to get to 500. So yeah, thank you guys for all of your support. Okay, let's hop right on into it.
I am the Super Saiyan Son Goku! I'm counting on you, Hit. You sure?
Alright, so we have Avert.
It's my turn!
Okay.
Here!
There we go. Yeah, them ceiling of strikes, man. The ceilings of strikes. And then with his unique equipment, this Goku gets 15 counts of cover now. So, yeah. There we go. There we go. And remember,
I'll take care.
Ultra Super Saiyan Blue Kaioken Goku, he gets his Vanish back every time you fill up the unique gauge.
I'll do it. What's wrong?
Okay. There we go.
Go time.
Can we vanish this?
Let me test it.
Okay. Taps. Okay, let's go right away. There we go.
Take this. Let's go.
Okay, the one thing about this map, guys, I really don't like this map because it lags so hard.
Eat this.
Okay, there we go. Okay, Goku should be dead.
Go time. Not happy.
Okay, let's go with a blast. There we go. Yeah, that's KO guard activated. For part 3, we have got to get a character that nullifies second life comeback mechanics, man. Because wow, man, I tried to vanish it, but it didn't register it. Yeah, we got to get a character that can just nullify these actions, man. Because man, these matches are going straight to timer, man. A lot of the times, or at least for me.
You all right?
Okay, let's go here.
Is that all you got?
There we go. Tap. Throw it away. Okay, nice taps. Alrighty. There we go, got the vanish back. Let him go. You should have let him go.
You're finished. Take this.
Alright, let's go with a strike. See, hopefully I don't get guessed. I've been having... Well, of course. Man. I don't know what it is, man. All of my rushes... Oh, he just goes right in. Okay. Let's do this. Thank you. Oh, man. Bad move on my part. Bad move on my part. We lose someone right here. Okay. Oh, darn it.
It's up to you now.
Let me test this power out.
I'll end
Let's
this.
swap to hit. There we go. It's crazy, man. Like one mistake really can't cost you a whole match, or just make it harder to come back. Oh, mine, right? By 2. Okay, I'll take it. Okay. Why? Why are you doing
Let's
this?
move, Goku.
Okay. He blocked every one of them.
My
Okay.
turn.
He's fishing for a PV. Taps. Thank you. Thank you. Let's do this. Okay.
I'll take care of it.
Right here.
There.
Okay. Okay, there we go.
Nice try.
Let him go. Smart choice. Okay, let's do this.
I'll assist you.
Great card.
Don't blink.
There we go. Oh, man. Yeah. Okay.
Not good enough.
Go to strike. Okay.
It's my. This is the ultimate form.
Well, I wish I had a strike right there.
That's not all.
Oh, no. No. Okay, that's the second. Gosh darn it. Oh,
Try
my
not to waste my
gosh.
time. Now's our chance.
Oh, he waited that long. All right, that's GG's.
With this, it ends here. Final.
Oh, wait, no. You catch both effects. There we go.
Are you okay?
Okay, we got the heal.
Good luck.
Okay, we can still bring this back. We just have to play our cards really well.
I'll assist you.
Okay, I got nothing but blast and a special move. Okay, come on now.
Don't blink.
Come on,
It's
kill.
nothing personal.
Oh my gosh.
Let's do it.
I'm on it.
Ooh, I gotta be careful. Right away.
No holding back.
Oh my gosh.
Final blast.
I'm sorry, everyone.
What's wrong? I haven't even gotten serious yet.
Alrighty.
Let's settle this.
GG's on that last match though, for real. Like he was, man, that rush came in clutch for him, man. We could have won that one, but
Let me
there we
test
go.
this power out.
Let's
All
do
right.
it.
I'm on it.
Okay, they got that damage buff.
Take this.
There we go.
Here I go.
I'll assist you.
Blast.
Don't
So the
blink.
blue card. There we go.
It's nothing personal.
Whoa.
It's mine.
Yeah, my man is wild. There we go. Alright, we notify cover change. Speed up this damage. And per card use, I believe we bump up the ultimate of Ultra Super Saiyan Blue Kaioken Goku. Let's do this. Let's back up.
What's wrong?
There we go. Let's go right here.
Go time.
Alright, let's go to Dragon Ball.
Eat this.
Ooh, y'all, I'm telling you, I am suffering right now. Ooh. You know, right? No. There we go. That's fine. We're gonna do right here. Okay, we only need one more Dragon Ball for a rush. Alright, no key.
You're finished. Take this.
You love it.
Here, go. Take this.
Taps.
Take this.
There we go.
Leave it to me.
Yeah, man. Dude, every time he's faced with an enemy, man, them strikes are sealed, so you can comfortably. Well, ooh. Okay, we got the first heal.
Watch out.
Let's say the second heal.
Out of the way.
And if they rush, that's fine, because we do.
Here I go.
I'll assist you.
Okay. Okay.
Got it. No.
Oh man, the moment I. Okay.
Let's do it. Hit. You all right?
There we go.
Kidding? This is the ultimate
Let's go right here. Let's go to green.
Let me.
Let's charge up. Right there. Oh, snap. Okay. Okay, we're gonna bring this back.
Get behind me.
Let's go right there. Yeah, we almost lost Kaioken Goku. Almost.
I am not Goku or Vegeta. I am Gogeta. Go time. Eat this. Let's go.
I think we've used the. No, we haven't.
Try this.
I mean, I'll rush. Throw him in. No, you're not going to throw.
Eat this.
I tell you, man, like my rushes have been guessed like 100% of the time. Every time I get into PvP, as of late, I should say.
Out of the way.
Taps.
There.
Okay, nice.
Here
Go to
I
green.
I'll assist you.
Got a
It's my
blue.
turn.
Try not.
Take this.
Okay. Man, we got to get something going. But I mean, I have a blast card and a. I'll take it.
Eat this.
So, man, I had blast on blast on blast with a blue.
I'm ending this now.
Let's go right here.
finish
Okay, I'll take that. No more Gogeta. I will take that. Ooh, those are crits.
I'll take care of it.
Hello?
Here I go.
I'll assist you.
Hello?
Got it.
I'll show you the. Now's our chance.
Oof.
Eat this.
Okay. There we go. Okay. That's I think their first time notifying endurance?
Out of the way.
Bro.
Taking you down.
So we lagging now. Okay. Alright,
It's
man.
my turn.
Let's not cheat to win, okay? Hello. You gotta be kidding me, man. Y'all see this, right? I'm trying to charge.
Leave it to
Please leave. Thank you.
Eat this!
Like, man. I'll just end that with overdrive. Yeah, man. Super Saiyan Blue Kaioken Goku, man. He's definitely still annoying. I know the opponent was kind of like, man, these strike seals.
This fight was over before it started.
Okay, let's yeah, we'll go Dende and yeah.
I am the Super Saiyan, Son Goku!
I'm counting on you, Hit. You sure
All right,
you
y'all.
do this? I'm on it.
Last match, and I'm gonna go back and lay down. Again, I just didn't want you guys being left with no content, but this is
Islanders.
this is Super Saiyan Blue Kaioken Goku, y'all, man. Taps, there we go.
It's my turn.
Let's go here. Instruction sealed. After that probably doesn't matter.
Here goes.
Boom.
Leave it to now. Watch out.
There we go.
I'll take care of it.
There we go. Oh, okay.
I can hardly be called a job with you running wild like that.
Alrighty, guys.
Maybe I went a
Last
little
match.
too far.
Hope you guys have enjoyed. Yeah, Goku is still Goku, man. It's your boy Dre Senpai. Deuces.